Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the outdoors. It's December in Utah. The white stuff should be on the ground, but it is not. It's dropped and then melted and then dropped and then melted. But we're still having some unseasonably dry weather here in December. Cause for concern probably a little bit. We have some bad air, but it's still clear enough for us to do outdoor unboxings, and I think they're fun. So we're going to do it because we've got the 2021 Hot Wheels B as in boy, B case to open up. And if you look behind me here, you've also got the C case. So we're going to hold off on the C case for a few days. We'll do it a little bit. We're sandwiching these in with some Lamley Award features that I'm working on. But we just know we have some good stuff. I know a lot of these unboxings have been done, but these came from Mattel, and it's always good when you see this code L2593. You can rest assured this came out of the Mattel Distribution Center, which means these cases are here and they will be hitting stores soon enough, right? Maybe before the holiday, maybe right after, I don't know. But this unboxing, that unboxing, we're going to do the GameStop unboxing too once I get those. This one's already been partially opened in the process of transporting over here. I don't care if the box is damaged. I actually don't care if the cards are damaged. I do care if the cars themselves, like cards, they can be damaged. Cars, I hope, are not. But let's go ahead and get this open. Let's see what is in the 2021 B case. Some of you may have bought the GameStop case. If you have, I think I bought one. I actually bought two, so I'll be doing both of those unboxings once I get them. But we'll probably see B case models in here, and also in that case. I'm getting ahead of myself. The GameStop case should have B case models, so this is a little preview of that. Let's get right to it, and we start with the HW Warp Speeder. And the Fig Rig. I don't know what the regular treasure hunt is, so if you guys see it, you guys can tell me. And here's the 1970 Dodge Power Wagon. I think that's a holdover from the last case. Hyper Fin, that's a holdover. 68 Mustang. See the tuned Mustang. It's been a while since we've seen that. Mattless Motors, matte black, which looks kind of cool. And we have seen that Toyota off-road racer before from the A case. We've seen the Porsche. I don't know if we have seen the Buns of Steel, but there it is. And we have seen the RV there yet in its 2021 incarnation. Ooh, Cloak and Dagger looks cool in its clear body there. Got to figure out what the highlights are going to be here. 80 El Camino in art car form. Looking cool. Trying to just get a sense of what's going on there. And then the Carbonator for you, for those of you celebrating New Year's Eve, hopefully safely, right? Oh, cool. There's the Nash. Okay, so this is the high roller. Here is the Nash. It was the Legends winner for 2019, and now we have it done. I was actually there when it was announced as the winner at SEMA. I was there. We'll open this one as part of the highlight video. Who was there? Adam Carolla, Jay Leno, a bunch of other people. So that was kind of fun to watch. And you can see how they've done it with the wheels on the outside. We'll talk about that thing. Kind of a funny model. And then there's the Party Wagon. This is the 2021 version, so it's got new wheels on it. I think it was the disc wheels, right, before? Okay, cool. All right, there's the Land Speeder again. There is the tuned twin mill, and this is the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. If this were a little bit more decorated, right? If this one had real riders on it, it would be the Super. It does not, so it is the basic model. Has this one been a Super before? Was it the convertible or the hardtop? I think this one has. This might be a repeat. Wasn't it that yellow and that gold one from a while ago, a few years ago? Santa, a rockin' Santa sled, Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. There's that beautiful Z that was also the Super in the A case. Oh, okay, now it's getting really interesting. Dodge van. We're going to talk about this one in the highlights. It's from the Drift series. You can see RYO, that's Rio Sada. He designed this one. I'm wondering if they're going to talk about this one. They don't have the actual name of it, but it's one of the kind of versatile vehicles ever made, a customized version. Sea roof. I'm trying to, yeah. We'll talk about what this van actually is and why it's in the Hot Wheels Drift segment, and it's really interesting. It's really, really cool. I cannot wait to open that one. You can see the Moon Eyes logo there too. Very interesting. Toyota off-road truck, and there's the Volvo 850 Estate, going from racing version to just solidly beautiful stock. Look at that thing. That is so pretty in red. Cannot wait to open that one too. It looks like we have another one here, right? We do. Carbonator again, Road Bandit from the last case, and then there's another Volvo 850 Estate. I can't stop looking at that one. That's beautiful. Highlight so far for me of this case. All right, Street Wiener return. Oh, very easy to see. The Street Wiener is the treasure hunt, isn't it? Where is that symbol? I'm looking. Is it on the hot dog? There's mustard and ketchup there. But there's the symbol right there on the card, but I don't know if it's on the side there. Oh, there it is. It's really hard to tell, but it is there, kind of hidden on that side portion of the Speed Wiener. Street Wiener. Whatever. There's the Baja Bug looking good in its new incarnation for 2021. It's got the muddy wheels on it. That looks cool. And then the Warp Speeder. Street Wiener Treasure Hunt. Not bad. All right. Sorry. Trying to make sure things don't fall on the ground here. Oh, another new model, a beauty, 2020 Jaguar F-Type. Don't confuse it with the Z down below, but there is the F-Type brand new casting. We've seen Matchbox do this one. This one is a slightly newer version of the F-Type, so we'll open that one up. That looks beautiful in blue, for sure. Poison Arrow, and then, like I said, the Z again. And then we'll finish off the first half with the Quick Bite. It's the New Year's model. They like to do a New Year's. We'll all be celebrating the demise of 2020, 32 Ford, and the Hot Wheels Formula Solar. So that's the first 36 that are going to fall. All right, let's see what the second 36 has to offer. Ooh, 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. Beautiful. Magnus Walker. I actually saw him talking about this one yesterday on Instagram. There's the Dodge van again. We'll put both of those as highlights. And there's the Power Wagon again. There's your Corvette Grand Sport, not Super. There's another Porsche. There's another El Camino. Retroactive, I think we saw that one. Porsche Carrera again. There's the retroactive. And the Fig Rig. Arkham Knight Batmobile. There's the Zombot. Two of those. I'm going to spend a lot of time on some. There's others I can just skip over pretty quickly. There's another Nash. There's the Road Bandit and the Ford Transit Connect. Ooh, my hands are cold. 68 Mustang again. There's the AE86 Trueno, Sprinter Trueno from the last case, and the T-Rex Destroyer. Ooh, not the quad rod that I'm thinking of. I'm looking at this Land Rover Defender. Nice to see this one return. Looks really good in that kind of olive green. I'm imagining Dimitri Hot Wheels Dima, who designed this one, this casting, is pretty happy with this deco on that one. That is phenomenal. There was the Herschel exclusive, right, that sold out in about 2 seconds last week. Rigger Motor, Hollinator, JT's Hauling, that's cool, and then the Mattel Dreammobile. Oh, there's the Combi. Hello Kitty, cool Combi. A lot of people are going to dig that one for obvious reasons. I mean, what are you going to say about that? Cool Combi mixed with Hello Kitty. It's almost like too much, right? Too much cute. 32 Ford and the Barbie Dream Camper returns in the B case. And to finish off the T-Rex Destroyer, or almost finished off, there's the Batmobile again and the Heavy Hitcher. I see Barbie again. I see the Corvette Stingray, which is also in the A case, so all of that was in the A case. And to finish off, it looks like we have some more repeats. Another Jag. That's nice to have another Jag F-Type. Triumph TR6, and the Tanknator. So I'm going to call the highlights of this one. I'm going to say the Combi, the Defender, the Nash. These are the ones we'll open in the highlight video. The 944 Turbo, the Dodge Van, the F-Type, the Volvo, and why not, the Street Wiener. I'd put the Corvette in there too. That's the Super Treasure Hunt. There might be others that are highlights. If there's others, you leave them in the comments so that you want to see me open, and maybe we'll consider it for the highlight video. That is your B case. C case is next in a couple days. Thanks, everybody. Bye.